I'm Carl Heastie, Speaker of the New York State Assembly, and I want to salute the Kingsborough Community College class of 2020. My colleagues and I in the New York State Assembly have always fought to make sure that every New Yorker has access to higher education because we know that the amount of doors it will open for you will be life-changing. No doubt, higher education changed my life. I'm a proud graduate of Stony Brook University, and I earned a master's degree from Baruch College while serving as a member of the New York State Assembly. It took me 9 long years to earn my master's degree, but I did it. In these difficult times, we know your education will be life-changing, not just for you, but for the communities where you will work and because of the monumental changes we are experiencing. The work you do in our communities, our state, and our nation will be more important than ever. Changes like the one we are facing shake us to our core. They force us to adapt. They remind us to care for our most vulnerable. They bring out the best in each of us. In this moment, I implore you, be the strong leader our community needs to meet today's challenge and whatever challenges may come down the road. Congratulations, graduates. Go change the world.